Hello all, this is Pavithra. Today I come up with the topic ratio and proportion. Now here, first I will go with the basics and after that I will solve the questions. Okay. Now this video will helpful for those who are preparing for placement and as well as those who are preparing for competitive exams. And who are preparing for entrance exam is also this video will be helpful. Okay. Now, what is the meaning, what is the meaning of the word ratio? Ratio is nothing but, for example, I want to cook rice. Okay. Now, how I can cook rice? 2 cups of rice and 1 cup of water. Correct. Means in ratio, now can I say in ratio 2:1 ratio I am considering? Correct. Okay. Now here ratio is nothing but comparing two similar quantities. Ratio is nothing but comparing two similar quantities. Two similar quantities. Two similar quantities. It can be written as A is to B or it can be written as A by B. It can also written as 2:1. It can also written as 2:1, 2 by 1. Correct. Now, for example, in a class there are 30 boys are there and 15 girls are there. Now, what is the ratio of boys to that of girls? What is the ratio of boys to that of girls? 2:1 ratio, not 1:2 ratio. We have to say 2:1 ratio. Now, similarly, 50 grams of sugar and 200 grams of rice. Now, what is the ratio of sugar to that of rice? We can say 1:4. Ratio of sugar to that of rice is 1:4. Okay. Similarly, 1 kg rice and 500 grams of sugar. Now, what is the ratio of rice to that of sugar? What is the ratio of rice to that of sugar? We can say 1 kg is equals to how many grams? 1000 grams. 500 grams, we can say 2:1 ratio. The ratio of rice and sugar is 2:1. Okay, this will be fine. Now here, I have 10 chocolates and I am distributing to 2 persons. One is Anushka and another person is Virat. Okay. Now in ratio 2:3. If I am distributing in ratio 2:3, that is nothing but, can I say how many chocolates will Anushka get and how many chocolates Virat will get? Anushka will get total 10 chocolates. 5 parts is equals to 10 and 2 parts is equals to how much? 5 into 2 is equals to 10. 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Anushka will get 4 chocolates and Virat will get 6 chocolates. Correct? This is nothing but ratio. Now, what about proportion? Proportion is nothing but comparing two ratios. Proportion is nothing but comparing two ratios. Comparing two ratios. Now here, for example, yes, this is the container consists of milk and water. This is another container consists of milk and water. In ratio 10:20 and this is in the ratio 80:160. Now can I write 1:2 and this is, can I write it as 1:2? Yes. Now here proportion is nothing but comparing two ratios. Comparing two ratios, we can say proportion. Okay. Now, for example, A:B, 1:2, B:C is equals to 3:4. Now, what is the value of A:B:C? What is the value of A:B:C? Now, how I can calculate? What I have to do? I have to multiply this row. 3 into 2, it is giving the result. 1 into 3, it is giving the result as 3. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Here B value is different. Here B value it is 2 and here B value it is 3. Correct? Now to get B value same, I'm multiplying. You can go with like this method. 1:2 and 3:4. You can multiply here whole into 3 and here whole into 2. That is nothing but here 3 into 6 and this is 6 into 8. Yes, B value I'm getting same. Now can I write it as A:B:C is equals to 3:6:8. This is one way of solving these type of questions. Now, what about another method? You have to multiply this column. 3 into 1, it is giving the result as 3. 4 into 2 is equals to 6. 4 into 3 into 2 is equals to 6. 4 into 2 is equals to 8. Answer is 3 is to 6 is to 8. Okay. Moving forward to the questions. Yes. What is the first question he's asking? Three numbers are in the ratio. A is to B is given 7 is to 9. B is to C is given 3 is to 2. Now, what is the value of A is to B is to C? Here, B value is 9. Here, B value is 3. Now, what I have to do? If I am multiplying here whole ratio into 3, I will get B value C. 7 is to 9 and this is 9 is to 6. Now, can I write it as 7 is to 9 is to 6, A is to B is to C? Yes. Now, here the question is given. That is, B is equals to 45. 9 into 5 is equals to 45. Can I write it as 9 parts is equals to 45? 9 into 5 is equals to 45. Now, what is the question? He is asking sum of all three numbers. Now, how I can calculate sum of all three numbers? Now, if I am doing 7 into 5 is equals to 35, 6 into 5 is equals to 30, I am adding all the numbers. It will take time. Correct. Now, what I am doing is I am adding all the numbers. Now, what is 6 plus 7 plus 9? It is giving the result as 22. Here, what I am multiplying here into 5. To get 45, I am multiplying into 5. Correct. Now, what is 22 into 5? 110. Answer is option B, 110. Moving forward to the next question. A is to B is given 2 is to 3. B is to C is given 4 is to 5. C is to D is given 5 is to 9. Now, what is the value of A is to D? Now, here, what is the value of A is to D? To get value of A, I have to multiply this column. To get value of D, I have to multiply this column. Now, what is 2 into 4 into 5? 3 into 5 into 4. Now, can I cancel out 5 and 5 here cancelled out? What about 4 into 2? 8. 9 into 3? 27. Answer is option B, 8 is to 27. No need to go with entire calculations. The person is not asking what is the procedure you have approached. Here the person is asking out of 4 option choices, which one is correct? Correct? Yes. That is the reason you have to solve by using shortcut methods only to save your time in the exam. Moving forward to question number 3. Three numbers PQR in the ratio PQR is given. In ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5. Now each number is increased by 20%. Most of the people will calculate by using this method 2x, 3x and 5x. No need to go with this method. Okay, it will take time in the exam. Now can I consider as 20, 30 and 50? There will be no effect in the ratio. Now each number is increased by 20%. That is nothing but 20% of 20. It is giving the result as 4. 20 plus 4, 24. 30, 40% is increases. 40% of 30. What is 40% of 30? 0, 0 is cancelled out. We can say 12. Initially 10, initially 30, it is increased by 12. 30 plus 12, 42. 50%, 60% is increases. 50 is the initially is 50. 60% is increases. 60% of 50, it is giving the result as 30. 50 plus 30, 80. Now, what is the question? He's asking what will be the new ratio? Now, how I can cancel out? How I can cancel out? 2 ones and 2 12s, 2 21s and 2 40s. Answer is 12 is to 21 is to 40. Option A. Moving forward to the next question. A certain number of cooks and waiters are there, and here 3 is to 13. Most of the people will calculate like this. Let assume cooks and waiters are 3x and 13x. Okay, 3x and 13x. Now here 12 more waiters are hired. 3x divided by 13x, 12 more waiters are hired. The ratio is changes to 3 by 16. Now 3 is cancelled out. That will be fine. Now 16x is equals to 13x plus 12. Do cross multiplication. Now what is this 3x? 3x is equals to 12. X is equals to 4. X is equals to 4. Now what is the question? He is asking number of cooks are. Now how many number of cooks are there? How many number of cooks are there? Multiple of 3 means 3 into 4. It is giving the result as 12. Answer is option A, 12. Now, please pay your attention. Instead of calculating like this, cooks or waiters, initially, the ratio is 3:13. Now, when 12 more waiters are hired, the ratio is changes to 3:16. Now, as per the ratio, how much is increased? 3 is increased. Now, can I write 3 parts is equals to, as per the question, 12 more waiters are hired. 12. Now, what is the question he is asking? How many cooks are there? 3 parts. 3 parts is equals to how much? 3 into 4. 3 into 4, 12. Answer is option A, 12. Yes. Now, what is the another trick? We can solve by using option verification method also. Now, how it will be, how we can solve? How many cooks are there? Now, here cooks are 3 parts, correct? 3 must be the multiple of 3. Okay, I can, means I can able to see 3 options, A, B, C. But if I'm adding 12 more waiters, the ratio is changes to 3:16. Now, let's assume option A, 12. Yes, but again 12 more waiters are hired. It is giving the result as 24. Now must be the multiple of 3. Yes, 3 into 8 is equals to 24. Yes, this is satisfied. Now 15, 12 more waiters are hired. It is giving the result as 28. Yes, 28. 28 is not divisible by 3. I can eliminate option B. 21 plus 12 more waiters are hired. It is giving the result as 33. Okay, 33, that is also multiple of 3, 33. Okay. Okay, we have to go with this method. In some cases, it will be helpful. Moving forward to next question. The respective ratio between two numbers 4:7. 4:7. Can I write it as 4x divided by 7x? And 4 is added to each numbers. The ratio is changes to 3/5. You have to do the cross multiplication. 4 5 is 20. 20x plus 20 is equals to 21x plus 12. 21x minus 20x x. 20 minus 12, it is giving the result as 8. X is equals to 8. Now, what is the question? He is asking largest number. 4 and 7, what is the largest number here? 7 is the largest number. Now, 7 into 8 is equals to 56. Answer is option C, 56. This is by using traditional approach. Now, what is the shortcut trick behind this? 4:7, 3:5. Now, here, what is the difference here? Difference is equals to 4, 1. 4 becomes 3. Difference is 1. Here, the difference is 2. Now, differences are not same. What we have to do is take above difference and take below difference, multiply above with below. Now, 4:7 into 2. What is 4:7 into 2? It is giving the result as 8:14. Now, what is 3:5 into 3? It is giving the result as 9:15. Here, I am getting the difference is same. 8 becomes 9, 14 becomes 15. Now, can I say one part is equals to total? How much I am adding? 4 I am adding. Now, what is the question he is asking? Largest number. Now, what is the largest number here? 14. 14 parts is equals to how much? 14 into 4, it is giving the result as 56. Answer is option C, 56. Now, instead of calculating like this, respective ratio between what is the largest number he is asking must be the multiple of 7. Which of the following options will satisfy? A, B, C will satisfy. Okay. Now, what about option A? 42. If 4 I am adding, this will become 46. Now, 46 is multiple of 5. No, I can eliminate option A. 46 will not come in 5 table. Now, 63 plus 4 is added, becomes 67. Now, 67 is multiple of, in 5 table, 67 will come. No, I can eliminate option C. Can I fix my answer as option? I can eliminate option B. Can I fix my answer as option C? 56. Yes. Answer is 56. Cannot be determined is one of the wrapping answer here. Moving forward to next question. The present ratio of Maya and Chaya is 6:5. Okay. 6x divided by 5x. for 15 years from now, the ratio is changes to 9/8. If you do cross multiplication, you will get the value of x. After that, you have to substitute in 6 into something value. I'm not suggesting this method. Now, what we can do? 6 is to 5 and 9 is to 5, 9 is to 8. Now, what is the difference here? 3 parts. Correct. Here the difference is 3 parts and here also difference is 3 parts. Now, can I write 3 parts is equals to total how many years? 15 years. Now, what is the question? He is asking Maya's present age, that is 6. 6 parts is equals to how much? 3 into 5, 6 into 5, 30. Answer is option C, 30. Now, what is the pro method? Yes, means shortcut by using option verification method. Maya's present age. All the options are related to Maya's present age. Now, can I say must be the multiple of 6? Must be the multiple of 6. Which of the following options will satisfy? B and C. 15 years. 24 plus 15. What is 24 plus 15? 39. No, 39 is multiple of 9. No. After 15 years, the ratio is changes to 9 is to 5. Must be the multiple of 9. 39 is not multiple of 9. I can eliminate option B. Now, what about 30? 30 plus 15, it is giving the result as 45. Yes, 9 into 5 is equals to 45. Ratio-based questions are simple. We have to use common sense. That's it. Moving forward to question number 7. Amount of 1520 is divided ABC such that A get 1 by 5th of B gets. B get 3 by 5th of what C gets. Now, can I write it as A by B is equals to 1 by 5, B by C is equals to 3 by 4. Now, what is the question he is asking? Share of C. Now, how I can calculate share of C? Share of C. Here B is 5 and here B is 3. Now, what I have to do? Here I have to multiply into 3 and here I have to multiply into 5. Now, to get value, to get ratio of A is to B is equals to 3 by 50. And to get B is to C is equals to, means 15 divided by 20. Now, here, can I write it as A is to B is to C is equals to 3 is to 15 is to 20. Now, total rupees are given 15, 20. 3 plus 15 plus 20. It is giving the result as how much? 40. 38. 38 parts is equals to 1250. Now, what about 20 parts? You have to do cross multiplication. 20 into 1250 divided by 38. 38 40s. Answer is 800 rupees. Option A. Moving forward to next. A bag has 420 rupees. Denomination 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees. Coins are in the ratio. Coins ratio is given 8 is to 1 is to 5. Total number of 5 rupees coins are. Now here, please pay your attention. I have, by using common sense, we can crack this question for sure. Total, how many 5 rupees coins are there? How many 5 rupees coins are there? 5 rupees coins are there. Correct. Must be the multiple of 5. Can I fix my answer as option D? 60. Correct? Yes. This is one way of solving these type of questions. Now, what is another way? Here I have 8 rupees coins. I have 1 rupees coins. I have 8. Means total how many rupees I have? 8 rupees. I have 1 rupee coins. 2 rupees coins. I have 1. Total how many rupees I have? 2 rupees I have. I have total 5 rupees coins. I have 5. Total I have 25 rupees. Correct? Now, can I say total 35? 8 plus 2 plus 25. It is giving the result as 35. Total how many rupees I have? 420. 35 parts is equals to 420. What is the question he is asking? Number of 5 rupees coins. 5 parts is equals to how much? 5 into 7, 35. Now 460 divided by 7, it is giving the result as 60. Answer is option B, 60. No need to go with X. Why? I don't know why people are taking X and it will become too lengthy. Correct. That is the reason I'm not suggesting with X. Moving forward to next question. Here, Rupees are given, but here points are given. Rupees are given, that is the reason I'm converting into rupees. Now here points are given, I have to convert into points. Okay, now 1 rupee, 50 paisa and 25 paisa. Ratio, price values are in the ratio. Price values are in the ratio 10, 9 and 4. Now what is the question? He is asking number of 25 paisa coins. How many number of 25 paisa coins are there? I have to calculate. Correct. Now if I have 10 rupees, I have one note. If I have 10 rupees, I have one note. That is nothing but I can say I have 10 rupees. Now 50 paisa coins, I have 9. To make 9 rupees, how many 50 paisa coins are required? Coins are given. To make 9 rupees, how many 50 paisa coins are required? To make 1 rupee, 250 paisa coins are required. To make 9 rupees, how many 50 paisa coins are required? That is nothing but 9 into 2 is equals to 18. 18 coins are required. To make 4 rupees, how many 25 paisa coins are required? 16 25 paisa coins are required. Must be the multiple of 16. Which of the following option will satisfy? 160. Or you can calculate 25 paisa coins. Total 10 plus 18 plus 16. It is giving the result as 44. 44 parts is equals to total. How many coins I have? 440 coins I have. Correct. 440 coins I have. Now 16 parts is equals to how much? Into 10. Into 10. It is giving the result as 160. Answer is option C, 160. Moving forward to the next question. 300 rupees is divided among A, B, C. A may get 1 by 2 as much as B and C together. B may get 2 by 3 as much as A and C together. Now can I write it as A by B plus C is equals to 1 by 2. B by A plus C is equals to 2 by 3. Okay. Now what is the question he's asking? What is the share of C? What is the share of C? How I can calculate? What is the share of C? If you clearly observe, A part is 1. 1 out of total how many parts? 3. What is the share of A? 1 by 3 into 300 rupees total. It is giving the result as A got 100 rupees. Now what about B? B got 2 parts. Out of total 3 plus 2, 5. Into total 300 rupees. It is giving the result as 120 rupees. B has. Now what about C? How I can calculate C? A got 100, B got 120. Total 300. Now what about C? C will get 80 rupees. Answer is option A, 80 rupees. Moving forward to the next question. It was intended that 117 is rupees divided Chinky, Pinky and Rinky in the ratio 4:3:2. Now here total rupees 117. Means how many rupees Rinky gained by error? The question is asking. Now what is the actual distribution? 9. 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 9. 9 parts is equals to 117. Now what about Rinky? 2 parts is equals to how much? 9 into 30, 2 into 30, 26. Total means Rinky will get 26 rupees. But by mistake, the distribution was made in proportion 1 by 4, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Now what is LCM of 4, 3 and 2? That is giving the result as 12. 4 3s, 3 4s and 2 6. Now this is the ratio. Now what is 4 plus 3 plus 6? It is giving the result as 13. 13 parts is equals to 117. Now what is the question? He is asking Rinky gain by error. This is by mistake the distribution was made. 6 parts is equals to how much? 3 into 9, 6 into 9 is equals to 54. Now what is the difference here? Rinky gained by error. This is the actual distribution. But the Rinky is gained by error 54. Means how much she gained by error? That is nothing but 28 rupees. Answer is option A, 28 rupees. Moving forward to the next question. A sum of 41 rupees is divided among 50 boys. Each boy get 90 paisa. Each girl get 65 paisa. Now here rupees are given 41 rupees. Now what I have to do? I'm converting into paisa. To make 1 rupee, 250 paisa coins are required. To make 41 rupees, how many 50 paisa coins are required? Double. That is nothing but we can say 82. 82 by using alligation and mixture rule. 82 minus 65. It is giving the result as 17. 90 minus 82. It is giving the result as 8. Now, what is the question he is asking? Find the number of boys. How many boys are there? 17 parts. Out of total, how many? 17 plus 8. It is giving the result as 25. Total, how many boys and girls are there? 50 boys and girls are there. We can say 2. 17 into 2, 38. Answer is option, 34. Answer is option B, 34. I hope it is clear. Moving forward to next question. The ratio of income of A is to B is equals to 7 is to 6. And ratio of expenditure of A is to B is equals to 5 is to 4. Now here, most of the people will do calculation like this. Income 7x. And income of A is 7x. Income of B is 6x. And expenditure of A is 5y. And expenditure of B is 4y. Income minus expenditure, 7x minus 5y is equals to 2000. This is one linear equation. This is one linear equation. Now what about B? 6x minus 4y is equals to 2000 rupees. This is equation number 2. The people will calculate both the equations. And after that, the people will get value of x or y. No need to go with this method. Now here 7 becomes 2. It is giving the result as 2. 6 becomes 4. It is giving the result as 2. 2 parts is equals to, what about savings here? 2000 rupees. Now, what is the question he's asking? Income of B, 6. 6 parts is equals to how much? Into 1000. Into 1000. It is giving the result as 6000. Answer is option A, 6000. 6000. Now, we can go with by solving option verification method. Yes, income of B. Income of B must be multiple of 6. That number must be divisible by 6. Which of the following options will satisfy? Only option C will satisfy. Answer is option C. 10 seconds are enough. Moving forward to next. The ratio of 3 is to 2 and expenditure is 5 is to 3. Now each saves 3000 rupees. Now here differences is not same. Now what I have to do? I have to take above difference and I have to take below difference. Multiply above with below. Into 2 and here into 1. It is giving the result as 6 is to 4 and it is giving the result as 5 is to 3. Yes, here I am getting the difference is same. One part is equals to 3000 rupees. Now what is the question he is asking? Expenditure of A. Now what is expenditure of A? This is income and this is expenditure, that is 5. 5 parts is equals to how much? 5 into 3000, 15,000. Answer is option C, 15,000. Moving forward to next question. In a mixture of 70 liters, ratio of milk and water is given 5 is to 2. Now can I write milk and water? Milk is 50 liters and water is 20 liters. The ratio is 5 is to 2 and here milk and water is total 70 liters, 50 and 70. Now 5 liters of water is added. Find the ratio of milk in the new mixture. Now, what is the ratio of milk here? We can write it as 2 is to 1. Answer is option B, 2 is to 1. Yes, I hope it is clear for you. If you like this video, please do share and please do subscribe and please do like. Thank you.